little ballerina sprite. And if you watch the dancing theme video on the Scratch website, if you go to costumes, you can select a bunch of different costumes by clicking import. And so I did a bunch of them. Then when I went to scripts, I did next costume, wait 0.5 seconds in between each costume. It would go on forever, and when the green flag is clicked, that's when it would happen. Then I wanted it to have music. So I went to sounds, and I imported a sound. I went to music loops, and I found a piece called Medieval 1. And I went to the sound tab, and I played sound Medieval 1 until it was done. And it would go on forever, and it would happen when the green flag was clicked. Then I wanted her to say something, so I went to looks, and she says, I love to dance for 4 seconds, it goes on forever, and it happens when the green flag is clicked. So, I think the sound is right. Let me try. So, she dances.
Oh.
So I did a skit here. It's called Shark versus Fish. Okay, so I'll show you how I did it. So I'll go to the fish first. Okay, so this is what I did. I did the one flag click, the green flag, it's up here. That means when you click the flag, the whole skit will start. And so over here, I made it, I did the forever thing to make it continue doing it in the fish. So I did bubbles, so it'll say bubbles when I push it'll make bubble noises when I push the green flag. And so I did wait 3 seconds, that means it'll wait 3 seconds before it starts. I also did, I made it say, you can't catch me, because you'll see during the skit. Okay, and so I did the sprite 2, which is a shark over here. Okay. So I did the same thing, except I made it say something different and I made it wait for 2 seconds. So now I'm going to push the green flag for the skit to begin. So yeah.
So I did lion, which is like a little lion and a zebra. And what I did was I went to I went to new sprite over here, if you could see it. And that basically says you can paint the sprite. And then if you click that, it basically says you can import it as well. So if you want to import it, that's how I did it. And then I put the lion and the zebra. And so then I just took, I went to control, and you could basically say when you want the little green flag clicked, then that's when the skit starts. So I'll just show you my skit. When it says like wait 1 second, wait 3 seconds, wait 5 seconds, that's basically saying after you say this word, it basically waits for the amount of seconds that you type in that has the yellow box, and then the next section of words come on, and then if you want a wait, then you put a wait, and then you see this box over here. You could type in as many seconds as you want the next set of words to wait. Okay, so it says when this green flag is clicked, it says then wait 1 second, and then it says think, which I put for 2 seconds, and then say hello, wait 5 seconds, and then you think, that's what you think. You could put whatever words you want in this little white box.
my skit is about a cat and a parrot going to the pool. Okay, and so this is how I made it. So this is the parrot sprite. I have a bunch of different blocks. There's my upstairs. So when the green arrow is clicked, that's over here, he says, "Hey," for 2 seconds. And then he changes his costumes and basically he's just flying. And then I have to press certain keys for him to do other stuff. And I have 2 different backgrounds. So when I press A, it'll go to the next background. And then for the cat sprite, it's sort of the same thing. When I press the green arrow, he'll do what I commanded him to do. I wanted him to say hello for 1 second. And then again, I have to press different arrows for him to say other things. So yeah, I guess I'll start it.
Maybe. With the crab, I made it when I click the green flag, it will wait 10 seconds, then this is not the crab. There. When we click the green flag, it'll move 10 steps while playing a drum beat is playing for 1 beat. Then it'll move a negative 10 steps with the drum beat because this makes it go back and forth like it's dancing. And then sprite 2, which is a lobster, you can't see it yet, but after 2 seconds, when the green flag is clicked, it'll glide to a certain section that I set, which is X -47 and Y 28, so that's around here. And then when touching the color of the bubble, it'll start dancing like the crab will be doing forever. And then sprite 3, which is a purple fish. When the green flag is clicked, it'll wait 10 seconds, glide to a certain point in X and Y position, and then it'll turn 20 degrees to the left. And then when it's touching a bubble over here, it'll move 10 steps and a negative 10 steps, so it's dancing like the lobster and the crab will be doing. And then the shark, it'll wait 18 seconds, glide to a certain point, and then it'll say, "Oops, I just wanted to dance," for 3 seconds, and then it'll start dancing like everybody else was doing. So I'm gonna play this game.